The Thinborne Aramid fiber case is a standout choice for Pixel 10 device users who want protection without sacrificing the phone's sleek profile. This case strikes an impressive balance between durability and minimalism, adding virtually no bulk while delivering solid scratch and wear protection. What sets this case apart is its aramid fiber construction, which feels silky smooth in hand and provides excellent resistance to everyday wear. The material is incredibly thin yet strong, maintaining the Pixel 10 device's original aesthetic while adding a premium texture that's actually more comfortable to grip than the bare phone. I was particularly impressed by how the case preserves the phone's natural feel. You'll barely notice it's there. The integrated MagSafe compatibility is a huge win, especially for such a slim case. Many ultra-thin cases skip magnetic functionality, but Supcase managed to include it without adding noticeable thickness. The precise cutouts are spot on, and the raised lips provide just enough protection for the screen and camera bar without interfering with wireless charging or accessory compatibility. Supcase sweetens the deal by including a tempered glass screen protector and extra adhesive strips, adding real value to the package. While the screen protector's adhesive can be finicky to apply perfectly, it's nice to have everything you need in one purchase. The main limitation is impact protection. This isn't designed for heavy drops or extreme conditions. If you're prone to accidents, you'll want something more robust. However, for careful users who prioritize style and everyday protection, the Thinborne delivers exactly what it promises. Yes, it's pricier than basic cases, but the premium materials and thoughtful design justify the cost.